Iniyaw talong.
Iyaw talong.
Saka kuridibud.
At saka kay...
Kuridibud.
At saka...
Yeah. Talong. Salada. Kuridibud. Ang sarap po. Bango. Ah. Mainihaw pa na bangus.
Gusto naman natin
Oo.
makmak na ganito ulam natin.
Mainihaw bangus.
Kulay.
Look closely and you will see it. If you got the first two
Kain
exams
tayo.
right, double tap the screen to lock in.
Mainit.
Exam number 3.
Mainit. Okay lang tita, okay lang. Ito na. Kamay lang ko para maano ba.
Lalo doon sa sulit.
Sarap ang ulam. Mainihaw na talong. Mangga.
Sulitin, mainit.
Brang init yun. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako sisilong pag umuwi ako doon. Kasi hindi ka makaligo sa ilog kasi brown.
Di ba mama doon siyang punta tayo dun sa Lalulo may waterfalls?
Mm.
Sarap no?
She's never doing this again. You actually just fell off. Bro felt good watching Moment.
Sarap kumain ba?
Lalo na pag lang doon sa kalayan.
Mm.
Pag gumawa ng kubo doon, dyan na lang magbudol fight kami.
Saan?
Doon sa pag merong kubo doon sa ano na ba yun? Doon sa may ilog.
Sa may ilog.
Then magbudol fight kami doon.
Mm. Kasama mo nagbudol fight?
Pag ano,
Sino kasama mo nagbudol fight noon?
hindi pa ako nagbudol fight doon.
Ay, hindi ka pa nagbudol fight doon.
Pag pumunta tayo doon, magbubudol fight kami ni Kuya. Kasama si Ate Lian.
Yung ano, yung masmalo. Iyaw.
Bonfire.
Ay, bonfire pa. Hindi pala. Ano yun?
Ano yan?
Bunga.
Grew of 1 year old to the same size as Shaq. It would stretch up to
Ang sarap ng ulam, oh. Inihaw na bangot.
300 pounds. To
Buridibot.
Bukas may saan pupunta si Ate Lian.
Lucas, sunduin ni Tito.
because it could
Pupunta dito.
10 pounds a day.
Saan diretso si Ate Lian?
Dito?
But with a bigger mouth,
Okay.
it would have a much stronger
Bukas?
bite, which
Oo.
could be dangerous. And if it tripped and fell on you,
Lucas, dito siya. Diretso.
if you grew a 1-year-old to the same size, what logo is this? That's correct. Buc-ee's.
Sarap ng ulam.
What logo is this?
Dulo.
All right, you started it first. Yep. Yep. What logo is this?
Barbie.
All right. What logo is
Ang
this?
pipili mo rin yung nandun kami sa Manila. Ito rin, gusto mong papaluto. Malis niyo yung ano, kuridibud.
Good at behave.
Good.
What logo is this? Zillow. On the left. Oh, you're gonna get
Sarap.
The mouth to drag my waist. Pulling it in.
Tikman naman natin itong ano, talong.
My waist slowly started to
Talong.
I was thrilled.
Tapos may ano,
On my face.
mangga.
Casually. That mole
Mangga, kamatis, tatalong.
started whitening my skin and added some blush. This
Asim.
Little by little,
Asim.
turned into a beauty. I stood in front of the mirror, admiring myself. But right at that moment, I noticed a white dot in my eye. The white
Sarap.
dot slowly spread. I suddenly looked
Sarap
at
talaga
the
ng
screen.
buridibudo.
The mouse went out of control, moving on its own. Panic hit me. I slammed the keyboard wildly, desperately trying to stop the cursor.
Putang ina. Gago! Putang ina guys. Bahala ka sa buhay mo.
Nawawala, nandito ang tulad mo'y parang ito, unti-unti naglalaho. Sabihin ko lang sa'yo, nakaraan ay tanggapin, at ang ngayon ay harapin. Ang bukas mo'y
Natalimi kayo ano?
huwag kang damdamin, pagkat ito'y kaya lang.
Thank you, gracias, 감사합니다, 아리가또, merci, 谢谢. I just wanna thank you for thank you very, very much.